can have her look into it and give you a call back, but I was not able to visually confirm your vehicle here. So you have to make sure that they bring it into the lot as well, because sometimes the tow trucks will just leave it outside, and we can't touch a vehicle if it's been left outside of the parking lot. It has to be in the parking lot for us to service it.
Thank you for calling Bronx Honda Service and Parts, where we have been proudly serving the Bronx community since 1975. If you know your party's extension, please press pound. For the company directory by name, press the star key. To reach the service department, press 1. And for the parts department, please press 2.
Good morning, Honda Service. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'm just calling to see if my Accord got there. It was towed there on Friday, I believe.
Did you call before you had it towed?
My insurance company got in touch with y'all guys to make sure y'all had space.
Okay, sounds good. Alright, what's the color of your vehicle?
It's a gray Honda Accord 2019.
This is the bronze one?
Yes.
Alright, and you said the 19 Accord, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just place you on the hold. I'm gonna go check that for you, okay?
Alright, thank you. Let's see if they got it, guys. Cold now. Oh yeah, guys. I'm still frustrated.
We tow it into the parking lot?
I gotta check. I'm not sure. All I know is they said they was going in.
Right, because I wasn't able to locate it using your VIN number. So what I can do for you is you have an advisor, which is the last person who works with your vehicle, and she's currently with a customer. I can have her look into it and give you a call back, but I was not able to visually confirm your vehicle here. So you have to make sure that they bring it into the lot as well, because sometimes the tow trucks will just leave it outside, and we can't touch a vehicle if it's been left outside of the parking lot. It has to be in the parking lot for us to service it.
Okay.
But in the meantime, I am going to have Latoya follow up with this and see if there's, maybe I missed something, and see if she can locate it, okay? And we'll give you a call back.
Alright.
Alrighty, good luck. Bye-bye.
So now the car is somewhere. Ridiculous, bro. So now I have to call State Farms. And then, I don't remember the name of that third party. No, I wasn't looking for that. Or what information? He said the people was gonna call me when they bring it there. That's what he said. Y'all got my number and everything? He said, yeah, the people got the number and everything. That's what he said.
Thank you for calling State Farm. This is Vanessa. How can I help you?
Yes, can I speak to the claims department, please?
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put you in a brief hold while I get someone on the line to help you.
Thank you. More holds. That car been there since Friday.
A big lever is a green lever. Help the environment and simplify your life by choosing the paperless options that guide you here. And your name?
Davon Hunt.
Okay. And do you know when the claim was? Claim were you speaking about, I guess?
Filed it on Friday.
try to.
But I'm not calling. I'm not calling about that. I'm calling about something else.
Okay. Are you calling about a claim?
Yes, it has something to do with the people that I spoke to in regards to my car being towed by a third party and all that. Y'all the ones that got me the people to come tow the car.
Okay, for the claim for Friday, correct?
Yes.
Okay, alright, that's what I confused. Let me do this. It looks like this claim is actually on for a different team. Let me get them over, and this is state of New York? Am I saying that right?
Yeah, Bronx, New York, yes.
Okay, great. Give me just one moment. Let me get New York, but also that team online.
This is the third transfer, I believe, guys. I'm gonna look back and see. Keep getting transferred to people. Now they gotta find the team that was dealing with it. No, I don't need the claim number. They could pull it up. That's not the information they need from you. Where the heck is the car? How they just gonna just drop it off outside? What the heck? Sometimes they do that. What? And I told them it closes at 5. It was already 4:30 something. He said we already spoke to the people, so we good to bring it in. That's what he told me. Spanish guy, I should have never trusted him. All right, what information you think I was supposed to get?
But I'm saying, like,
I just asked you a question.
because it was a whole weekend, so I think you were going to call me
What?
Saturday, see if you should call.
All right, it's no. What information did you think I was supposed to get?
I thought that they were all you saying the car.
That's not an answer. That's not me getting no information.
Information in the sense of you checking, calling, cross contact to see if the car was.
I just called them right now.
Yeah, I'm talking about Saturday and Sunday though.
For what?
Because you don't even know if your car is there.
They said they was taking it there and they spoke to the people. I'm not finna call 50 people back and forwards.
With me, I did get Caleb on the line. He's actually going to be able to speak with you with your concern, and I'll go ahead and raise the call. Thank you, guys.
Thanks. Alright. So Devontae, you said that you were calling in, you had some questions about the tow?
Yeah, y'all was supposed to tow it to Bronx Honda. I called them this morning and they said there's no information of my car being there.
Okay. Let me pull up this Jero tow here, check the status of this real quick. Do you know what day they set up that tow?
It was Friday. They were supposed to get it there Friday by Friday. I think they calling me back too. I'm gonna merge the call. I think this is Bronx Honda calling me. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Hello?
I'm here, go ahead.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here, I don't know.
Yeah, she's saying hello like she can't hear me.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can hear her, but I don't think she can hear us.
Alright, let me merge it again.
Let me...
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
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 Can you?
I don't know. She can't hear me, but he could hear me. I'll just call him back. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm just trying to locate this,
Hi, mommy.
this tow here to check the status.
Come on, bro. That's a small nap.
Alright, I found it here. So it looks like they were dispatched on, it was Friday at 4 o'clock.
Definitely was after 4 o'clock. Oh, they was dispatched, meaning they was alerted.
Yeah, it looks like they were dispatched 3:47 p.m.
Yeah.
I don't see where they ever dropped the vehicle off or delivered, so I can make a call out to Jero and just kind of see kind of where they're at with that, when they're going to be able to get out there to get the vehicle.
Can you do that, please? Because I don't know where the vehicle's at. I haven't since Friday. It's Monday now.
Okay.
And they took my key.
Okay, so they picked the vehicle up from you and then they just never dropped it off at the shop. That's kind of what's going on here.
Well, they got my key and stuff too. So what I'm supposed to do about that? Who's liable for that?
Well, we're definitely going to get in contact with the tow company, see what's going on. If they picked the vehicle up, it may have been maybe the shop when they tried to drop it off. Maybe it wasn't open at the time. I'm not really sure what's going on, but let me make a call out to Adjero and kind of see where they're at with this. Give me one moment, okay?
So we stand on the phone.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna just make a call out to them and see what's going on.
All right. It's not where it's supposed to be. Then technically it's stolen. If they ain't put it where it's supposed to be at.
Yeah.
We had a recorded talk on the phone, so they gonna be liable for it. So if anything happened, that's on them. They gonna get sued, and I'm gonna get money from Honda. So I don't care. Everything was all recorded. He had a girl with him in the car anyway, so he looked like he was not even, like he didn't want to work anyway. There was a girl in the passenger
Well,
seat.
when he get back, make sure you know who the tow company is and where. the
He
tow-
said it. He said what the tow company is.
You can't have that next time.
He just put me on hold. State Farm is gonna be liable too, cause I was on the phone with them too. So Whatever. They're gonna have to give me the full amount of price for the car. And I'm gonna sue the tow company. I'll sue y'all for 25, 30K. Yeah, but easy.
You can't have that, that's all. Keep looking at him like that.
So it looks like the vehicle is with Two Brothers Towing. So I've got their number here. I can make a call out to them to find out if they have it on their tow lot, and find out why it didn't get delivered.
What's the name of the thing again?
Two Brothers Towing, and I've got their number here.
Okay, what's the
It's
number?
516-667-1780.
But why would they take it to somewhere else without calling or nothing?
Well, a couple things. I'm assuming maybe, I don't know if the shop might have not been open at the time, so they went ahead and just took it back to their tow lot to tow it in sometime today. I'm not really sure.
Sometime today, you said?
I can make a call out. I'm sorry?
You said they sold it out today?
I said they may be in the process of towing it to the shop today. Maybe they just couldn't get it in Friday due to it being closed or something, so they just took it to their tow yard, just let it sit for now until they can get it in Monday. I mean, I can call out there for you if you'd like me to, or if you want to call them. You know, it's up to you, but I'd be happy to go ahead and make a call for you just to find out the status of it if you want me to.
Yeah, can you do that for me, please?
Yep. Alright, give me one moment here. I'm just going to dial out and see what's going on, okay?
Alright.
You okay?
Still waiting.
That their computers are down. They're getting some wiring redone on their computer system, so he was unable to look up to see the location of the vehicle or give us a status update with that. He told me to call him back around noon. I'm assuming that's when their computers are going to be up and running. It's around 12 o'clock, but 12:30. You do have their number. I mean, if you wanted to call up and check the status of it at like 12:30, he said he'd be happy to give you a status update on what they're doing with the vehicle. My assumption is I bet you the vehicle's probably in their tow lot. They're going to probably tow it over sometime today. But you do have their contact number if you want to contact them and just get a hold of them to find out exactly when that'll be. You can sure do that.
Alright. So they don't know if they have my car or not. That's what they said.
He couldn't give me a verification whether or not the car was actually there or not, based on the fact that I guess their computer systems are down. But we do have confirmation from Majero that they did pick the vehicle up Friday, so we know that it's somewhere in their possession. And if it's not, then obviously I think, obviously we're going to have an issue there, certainly. But she did say that the Two Brothers Towing picked up the vehicle. They were dispatched, picked up the car. So they do have possession of it.
Alright, I guess I gotta try them later.
Yeah, I mean, I'll put a file right in here. I mean, I attempted to call them and get a status update. They're saying their systems are down. If you want to call us back at 12:30 and have us call out to them again, we'll certainly do that for you. If not, you have their number as well. If you wanted to just call and ask them when it is they're going to be able to get the vehicle to the shop, you can do that as well. It's kind of up to you how you want to handle it. Like I said, if you call us back, we'll be happy to place that call for you if you need to.
Alright.
I have one arm sleeve that's still
Alright.
Is there anything else I can help you with today, Mr. Hunt?
No, that's it. The other thing was about totaling out my vehicle because like everything is ripped out of my car. But I guess that's it.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it. I think once we get to the body shop, we'll be able to get a better idea of kind of how much damage has been done.
Y'all said the 30th.
What's that?
Y'all said on the 30th. That's what I was told. On the 30th of September.
Okay.
So, alright, I guess.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that. We'll go down that avenue if we need to. If it is like a total loss, I mean, obviously we can take a look at that.
Alright.
You know, the right team if needed for that. Okay.
Alright.
All right. Well, you have a good rest of your day, Mr. Hunt.
Alright, you too.
Bye.
Yeah, I gotta see. Let me go do it with my daughter. Be back in a few. Alright guys, so I gotta wait for State Farms to call me back. The towing company that took my car, their system is down supposedly, and nobody knows where my vehicle is at right now, so mad dark. I gotta wait to get contacted back and see what's going on. About to head down to the store, go get some bread and stuff for lunch, because we're gonna have what she cooked yesterday: mac and cheese, fried chicken, candy yams, cabbage, and all that other good stuff. Well, a lot of other stuff. I'm gonna have that for dinner, but I'm about to go pick up some bread for lunch and see what the rest of the day is hitting for. Stay tuned, guys. No kidding. All right, guys, so currently it is 5:07, which means it's past work hours. No update on my car. So all that calling and waiting that y'all see was for nothing. Actually, I do know where my car is, but I think the tow company is trying to get the money from State Farms. So they holding my car. He talking about they probably not gonna deliver it till tomorrow morning, which is Tuesday. I don't know what's going on with this car situation right now. I gotta wait really till the 30th anyway, like I told y'all before, to get the appraisal of the damages of the car. See if we can get it totaled out and get us a new car. That's been my day, guys. I've been on the phone off and on with them all day. So anyway, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.